Welcome. If you're tired of getting constant notifications every time someone likes your comment on Instagram, you're not alone. With the latest Instagram update, you can now easily turn off these notifications right from your PC, helping you enjoy a more peaceful and focused browsing experience. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the necessary settings. Once you're in, look to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several icons. Click on your profile icon. This will take you to your personal profile page. Next, find and click on the notifications option in the menu. This is the place where you can manage all your Instagram alerts and customize exactly what you want to see. Now, inside the notifications section, look for push notifications. Click on it to open up even more detailed notification settings. Here, Instagram gives you the ability to fine-tune which alerts you receive on your device. Scroll down until you find the comment likes option. This specific setting controls whether you get notified every time someone likes one of your comments. To stop these notifications, simply select off. Once you've done this, Instagram will no longer send you push notifications for comment likes. And that's it. You've successfully disabled notifications for comment likes on Instagram using your PC. This small change can make a big difference, especially if you're active in the comments and want to keep your notifications focused on what matters most to you. Remember, you can always come back to these settings and adjust them anytime you want. Whether you're looking to minimize distractions or just want a more streamlined Instagram experience, managing your notifications is a great place to start. Enjoy your quieter, more peaceful Instagram browsing.